Hello everyone. Today our group would like to introduce a plan applying the concept of 5Ds to improve the green canteen. So, let's begin with the first topic, density. Because it's located near many lecture buildings, this canteen is often used particularly during the lunch hour. Students and staff like to come here since they can stroll back to the lecture building immediately after finishing their breaks. The real problem are congestion and insufficient capacity, and I believe a solution to solve would be to reorganize the cafeteria to give more room or even consider removing non-essential items so that the canteen can accommodate more people in the future.
Okay, moving on to the second one, diversity. Green Canteen provides many of the facilities such as bus stop, bicycle parking, convenience store, S&P restaurant, and more. There are many restaurants at the Green Canteen and various types of food. However, one of the important factors of building is restroom. The restroom are hard to find and it is insanitary. To sum up, the Green Canteen needs to improve the restroom cleanliness and to make the restroom entrance easier to find. The third one is design. The Green Canteen needs to improve lighting. Adequate lighting is quite essential to create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. The canteen can add more light fixtures or switch to brighter bulbs to brighten up the space. And the Green Canteen needs to improve airflow. This is a critical factor for a comfortable dining experience. The canteen can install better ventilation system. And up next is renovate the ceiling. The two problems stated above can be solved easily by renovate the ceiling. The university can adjust the ceiling by adding some windows and changing some part of the metal sheet to be glass. By doing this, the airflow can be improved simultaneously with the natural lighting from the sunlight. Furthermore, the canteen can reduce the electricity consumption by doing so, because they can rely on the sunlight and don't need to use all the light bulbs. Increased seating space is important too. The canteen can expand the seating area or rearrange the table to create more space. This will help to reduce crowding and make it easier for customers to move around. And they need to improve the table arrangement. The table can be arranged in a way that create more privacy and personal space for diners. This can be achieved by spacing the table further apart or using partitions to create separate seating areas. And the last one is add plants. Adding plants can improve the air quality and create a more pleasant environment for customers to dine in. Plants can be placed strategically around the canteen to create a natural, calming atmosphere.
The fourth one is destination accessibility. For the current situation, Green Canteen is only convenient for the people walking from nearby building, but not for people learning in SC 1, 2, and 3. Because it's so far apart, you can get exhausted walking to the canteen. But there are many transportation to service people from far buildings such as EV bus, bicycle, motorbike, and taxi. For those who have a private car, we do not recommend it. There are not much space to park in the parking lot over there. For the destination accessibility part, it's quite difficult to improve because the limited space of the university. Even if lots of people said that Green Canteen has delicious foods, people who stay far from the Green Canteen always go to other canteen nearby. It's not about how the food tastes, but the transportation time could make them late for class, especially for the afternoon class. The last topic is distance to transit. The students who are studying at the west side of the university most likely to just stay in the area or just go to Chiang Rak 1 or Chiang Rak 2 to grab a meal. Green Canteen is what students consider to choose when other areas such as SC1 Canteen or JC Canteen are too packed. There is a parking spot for electric bicycle and electric scooter and also have a renting station. If a person is in a hurry, the fee charged from anywhere in the west side of university to the canteen by motorbike taxi is not more than 30 baht, which does not cost a lot to pay. Also, it's easy to walk from the nearby building, such as LC1 to the canteen. The pathway also has the roof to protect pedestrians from sunlight. If paying is not a choice, a free EV bus provided by university is always stopped at the canteen. So basically, Green Canteen can be reached by any type of transit, and we do not expect any changes in this part. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.